Okay guys, it's me Imad. So on July 6, 2023, now you can see that this is my plant of Portulaca grandiflora. It is also called as 9 o'clock because of the fact that its flowers used to open at 9 o'clock. That is, they are usually they usually respond to the sunlight, so that is why we can say that its name is 9 o'clock. Now I am focusing my cam so that you can see my plant properly. Now you can see that it has a lot of cuttings. Now we have taken our pruner and now we have taken our first cutting and now we got our second cutting and this one is our third cutting. Now we have taken 3 of our cuttings and now you can see all these 3 cuttings. Now we will remove the lower leaves. Why it is so? Because if these leaves will get intact with the soil, they can cause certain fungal rot. Okay, so we will remove it out, and it is the case with every plant. When you are supposed to take the cutting, you need to remove the lower leaves. Okay, so now we have removed all of the lower leaves and now we have to keep them in shade for certain time or days so that they will heal up. Okay, on July 11, 2023 is I'm using voiceover, so you will see that there isn't any change of voice. Okay, now I have taken this pet bottle. Our plant pot is actually made up of polyethylene terephthalate bottle or soft drink bottle. So now you can see that this is my media. It consists of 50% simple garden soil and 50% sand. Now I will put I will put the media inside my pot. And now I will focus my cam so that you can see properly how good drainage it has, and we need to put some water. Okay, now you can see that how the water used to seep in. Okay, because of its transparent body, you can see that its water is going beneath, and then okay, now you can see how this water used to oozes out from the bottom, because okay, but before going to the bottom, okay, it absorbs. Okay, now one more thing, that why we are supposed to always look for good drainage, because if the water used to sit in the media, it can cause root rot. Okay, these roots will get rot because of the suffocation due to the due to the standing water. And now we are putting our cuttings inside the pot. After like 3 days of healing, the stems are a little bit weak and a little bit drooped as well. Okay, now on August 4, 2023, that is after a lot of time, okay, now this is our result. Now you can see that there is a huge growth. And we can see a little flower as well, 2 to 3 flower buds. Okay, now I have put this green tick, so that is why we can identify the results. Okay, now you can see that this is my result of, okay, so this is my result of Portulaca grandiflora from stem cuttings. Okay, now this is our second plant. Now you can see a good root structure. Okay, and its growth is so much fast. Okay, I think that I don't think that any succulent used to grow like this, even not the Calenshaw family. And hopefully you got the concept that how you can propagate or grow the portulaca, grandiflora or 9 o'clock with the help of stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.